Hi, welcome back. Right, on today's venture, I've got a Honda 9.9 four-stroke Honda engine outboard. I'm gonna do a service on it, so I've got to put new impeller and gasket on it, new spark plugs. I'm gonna do engine oil change and gearbox oil change. So let's get into it. Right, let's do this, eh? Here we go. Never done this before, so bear with me. A lot of people say it's easy to do, but oh, here comes my oil. Never done this before, so oh crap, here we go. I was told it had a engine change already, but if you look at the spark plugs, I think they're a bit dirty and it doesn't look like it's had a service on it. So I thought to myself, right, time to do a service on it myself. So I bought everything to do a service on it, and here we go. It's going everywhere now, just like what we'd like to see. I think that's all the oil coming out. Oh fuck, I knew that was going to happen. So that's all the oil coming out. If you can see that, I think I might have to put the plug back in. Never done this before, so in fact I've never had an engine before. Oh god, that crap in it. Can't even get the fucking screw back in. I was told you have to do it up so much with your fingers. Not used to this. Let's tighten that bad boy back up. Get nice and tight. Right. Got oil all over the fucking place. Right, I'm just going to get something to clean this oil up with and I'll be right back. Right, put that in back in. I've got some of this. Yep, 5 litres, and I think it only takes a litre. So, I don't know how I'm going to pour it in yet, so let's have a look. Right, let's see if these spark plugs comes out, eh? Oh yeah, they're in there alright, aren't they? Right, what would you say that was? That's not bad. Right, should we go again? Right, so these are the new spark plugs I'm putting in. NGKs. Let's see what these are like, eh? Try not to cross thread them. Oh fuck, don't like doing this. Looks like they're going in alright. Bang them up nice and tight. A little bit tighten them. There's one in. Can you see that, what I'm doing? Trying to get a fucking... There he is. Oh, he looks a bit bad and battered, doesn't he? Yeah. So, put a new one in, NGK. You see that? That's a nice new one, isn't it? Put it in there. Do that. Can't start the engine yet because I've got no petrol. So when I do the gearbox oil, I should bring it back. Do you know what? I can't get it in. Oh fuck, I've dropped it now. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'll bring you back in a minute. Right, let's get him in the oil. Like that. Tell I'm an amateur at doing this, can't you? Because I ain't gonna try. Right, that's new spark plugs in. Right, now I've got to put the oil in. But I can't put the oil in because I ain't got a funnel. Not unless I make one. So, I'll bring you back in a minute. Right. Lots more yet. Litre, I've got to put in a litre. Check the dipstick. No, a bit more yet. Bit more yet. Always put the lid on it in case you spill it. Bit more happen. Little bit more. Little bit more. Fuck me, that's nearly fucking 3 litres. Alright, let's check that again. Yeah, I would say that's full, mate. Right, that's it. That's all I can do for now. Right. That's the oil in. Just got to put the oil cap back on now, and I'll explain to you what we've done in a minute. Back in there. Right. Earlier on, what we done on here is don't know if you can see, but we got an electric start button here, and over here we had a stop button, and the kill switch was over here. So the kill switch didn't work, the start button didn't work. So what I've done is I bought a kill switch, a brand new kill switch. I took the stop switch out of there, I put the start switch in here, so now the electric start works, and I got a new kill switch, and I've blanked the old kill switch off. So I bought 2 crocodile clips for the battery, which they will go on here, and on the black, yeah, that's stuck in me, and on there. So I've just got to tilt the engine back on the tilt and do the gearbox oil, and I'll bring you back in a minute when I start that. Right guys, I'm back inside now. Yeah, I've bought a XL Volair 3.9 meter XL Volair Sib with a 9.9 4-stroke Honda engine. And when I bought the boat, they said to me that it was the engine's been fully serviced and everything. So I got the boat home, I've blown it up, I've let it down, packed it away in my shed, put the engine out the back, put it on an engine stand, checked the oil, and there was no oil in it. Yeah, so I thought, oh well, I looked at the spark plugs and they looked old and rusty, so I thought, well, it hasn't had a engine service on it. So I went out and bought everything for a service. He said to me the electric start button don't work on it, and I started the engine, the kill switch didn't work on it, so I bought a new kill switch. The stop button worked to stop the engine, but I had to pull start it like most outboard engines. So I thought, right, I'll take the stop button out, I'll put it where the electric start button is. I've bypassed the kill switch. Where the stop button was, I've bought a kill switch with one of those red leads on it. Yeah, so I've put it all together, tried it. The electric start works now. The kill switch works. I've just got to do the impeller bottom gear oil change, so I will do that shortly, and then I shall go and get some petrol and start that engine so you can see it all up and running. I've done the oil change, I've done the spark plugs. Yeah, so hopefully soon I'll be making a video with it blowing my boat up. I'm gonna put the launching wheels on. Yeah, so I've seen loads of videos how to put them on and all that, so I think people's going to be fed up in a minute of watching all them, but I'm going to do one anyway, how it goes on my Sib. Yeah, the Sib is brand new, only been used once, so I think we're going to have some, once I get it in the water, I think we're going to have some very good adventures on it. And do some, I'm hopefully going to do some overnight camping in it. That's going to be fun, isn't it? Out in a boat, out in a Sib, doing a camping trip. Drop the anchor, go sleep on it. Well, that's the plan. And we've got this lovely hot weather here today, so later on I'm thinking of doing a bit of car camping. So that should be fun. Never done it before. Got no camping gear. I'm just going to pull up somewhere in my car, get my little cooker out, cook something for tea, make a coffee, go to sleep. That should be fun. If you've got any comments or anything, drop them below. And if you think I'm doing anything wrong, let me know, and I will take advice on it. Yeah, so that's it for this one. Well, I might do the gearbox and an impeller later on this afternoon, but it is a bit hot at the moment and I'm sweating my tits off here. Excuse the pun. And yeah, let's see how we get on, eh? Okay, well, thanks for watching this one, and if you like what you see, give me a like, thumbs up, hit the notification bell if that's how you do it. Subscribe. I'm on 37 subscribers at the moment, so I need to reach that all important 1,000 milestone. So the more people hit the subscribe, it helps the channel a lot, and then I'll be able to do more and more and more fishing, catching the big fish, catch and cook. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in a bit.